Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Instagram account not spending. So if you have started any sort of campaign or any ad but you see that it has stopped because it is not spending money. So there could be an issue behind it that we will see and how we can fix it. So first you just have to simply go to that campaign where you're having the issue. Once you are onto this page, make sure you have added your credit card or maybe the card through which they can conduct the money. And there you just have to simply see that if you have done anything wrong into this billing and budget section, maybe your budget is too low and your card don't have that much balance, or you're having any sort of issue, just simply check out everything up there. Maybe the schedulized post you have done, there's any issue with that. So whatever the issue is, you will find everything up there. If you want to create new schedule, you can also do it. If you want to change the previous one, you can also do it. So you will find all the options related to spending up there. You can just simply check it out, make them correct if anything is wrong, and after that you will see everything will be fixed. Your campaigns are running smoothly and the ad account is spending the right way as you have set it. Sometimes the issue is related to your card that you have applied for the spending. Maybe the company that holding it having some issue, maybe the bank having some issue. So for that reason, you have to contact them and ask for the solution. Otherwise, if you find anything wrong into this budgeting section, you can just simply correct them. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.